Here's a quick 10-second Elliott wave analysis of the Euro New Zealand dollar. So before we continue, I use the Elliott wave analysis, but I use the Bill Williams special strategy, which is a simple way of counting Elliott wave. It's done through using the histogram at the bottom. More on this in the signature below. So using that logic, if you look to the left, in the past 100 to 140 candles, we can see the bottom or the biggest peak here. Let's move it a bit further. You can see the biggest peak in the past 100 candles is this. So that's your wave 3. After that, we wait for the EMS wave or the AO to cross the zero line, which it did over here. With that, the gator would sleep and price would be inside the box. And that's exactly what is happening. So this becomes the wave 4, and the next wave becomes wave 5, and the confirmation of wave 5 becomes is when you have a divergence. So we can see the divergence. So let me now point out all of these for you. So based on that, I can calculate, because this is 3 and this is 4 and this is possibly 5. Now I can actually call this my wave 1 and this is wave 2. This will become my 3, this is my 4, and that's my 5. Before we get into this side, before it hit this level, the way to predict this is to have your target zone, which is the fib expansion, start drawing from the start of wave 1. I'm going to correct that. And then drag the other leg of the fib expansion to what you think is the peak of wave 4. As you can see, this is target zone 1. So target zone 1 is the 62% fib expansion, and 100% fib expansion is target zone 2. 8 out of 10 times when there's a wave 5, it will end inside this range. Now this has turned into a little tutorial. That was not my point. My point was just to do a quick Elliott wave analysis of the Euro New Zealand dollar. So you see 1, 2. We don't really look for 1, 2. We always look for 3 and 4. That's what I do. And when I see a 3 and 4 and a tight box here, with gator sleeping and purple hovering up there, I usually would go short here, and then I would target the target zone 1, and that's what's happened. So what we see right now is an A, B, and C. I can also confirm that this is a B because this is where the B trap happens. This is a B trap, which means that you have a wave A up and a B down, and inside B, almost always you will see an ABC zigzag. So if I mark that for you, it's going to look like this. That's your wave A, this is B, and this is C. Now the inside of B, because it's this wave down, will also have ABC. Within the ABC, C will almost always kind of do a fake out here. At the bottom of wave 5 or the peak of wave 5 at the end of the trend, there's a B trap, and this is how we define a B trap, A, B, and C. And the characteristics of a wave C is that it's very impulsive. And today, if you look at all the different New Zealand pairs and almost all the market, forex market, there's a lot of movement going on. So we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's next for this pair? That's up for debate.